Hello everyone and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on Powerlines will provide you with a general understanding on how to add these types of objects into your project. This tool creates power lines by placing power poles along a user-defined path and connecting them with power lines. The output of a created power line operation is either a group of SIMmetry objects or a point layer that can be saved to a local data source and loaded as a streaming or entire layer. Now let us begin by going over where these objects can be accessed. To access the Powerline objects, on the ribbon menu, click on the Objects tab, then in the 3D group, click on 3D Objects and select Powerlines. To create Powerline objects, first select the Create As option. The available options are Group, which will create a group with objects, Layer Entire, which will create a feature layer, and then finally the Layer Streaming, which will create a streaming feature layer. Next, we're going to set the following parameters: pole type, method. Methods available are pole every waypoint or a fixed distance between poles, distance between poles, segments and sections. This means the number of segments for connected power lines between two poles. Maximum line depth. This means the height difference of the connected power lines between the highest and lowest points. Following is the visibility distance of the object, and finally the line color. Then we will select a method to designate the power lines created. These methods include follow line, selected group, and from clipboard. The follow line method creates power lines along a line by clicking in a 3D window on designated locations to place the line waypoints. Once those have been placed, right-click to finish the object. The selected group method will create power lines along all polylines in a selected group or layer. The from clipboard method is the last method, and that will create a power line along a clipboard object. We went over how to create power line objects and where they are accessible. This concludes the tutorial on power lines. For more information, refer to Chapter 13, Objects tab in SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.